guys, it's Erin here. We went on a foodie adventure in Malacca and we discovered a little family shop that makes Putu Piring. I'm gonna show you how they made it because it's like the coolest snack ever. They begin by scooping some rice flour into a bowl, then add brown sugar bits into the mix and top it up with more grated coconut. It already smells amazing. And then they're off to the sauna. This is where they steam the Putu Piring. When the steaming's done, they sprinkle coconut shavings into the fluffy puff. Simply yummylicious. Then they add a piece of banana leaf for a flavour and pack it up. The Putu Piring are soft, fluffy and it's like a party in your mouth, guys. Thanks for joining me on this awesome foodie adventure. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your buddies. It's Erin here. Stay awesome. See you in the next adventure.